One single person can really make a difference.
Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe you
Hey guys, it's been a while since I last made a video. In the past 1.5 months, I've been busy traveling to many different cities like Jakarta, Yangon, Mumbai, Delhi. And this job gives me the opportunity to really go into people's homes and understand how they feel emotionally, how they feel as a nation. It's not the reason why I make this video. This video is to tell you 3 achievements that I find super exciting lately. So the first achievement that makes me so excited is that I was able to make my office reduce 2,000 plastic bottles a month. It's not huge, but better than nothing. I've been in this company for around 5 years, and when I first joined, I see that people take plastic bottles for granted and they would consume it and then they just dump it in the bin. 3 years ago, I would actually, maybe four years ago, I would actually personally pick them up and put it in a box and take it to a recycling bin in Hoi Fong. Though back then I wasn't really environmental friendly or anything. I just felt that throwing plastic bottles away seems a little bit wasteful. A few years later, and I realized that our consumption of plastic bottle did not decrease because people just started to take like 5 bottles every morning. I expressed a clear feeling to my colleague that this really shouldn't happen. We shouldn't be actually offering plastic bottles at all. And you will never know what happens afterwards, because once you say something, once you express your thought, you would never know how many other people feel the same as you do. And actually, by voicing out what you think, you actually help gather people of the same mindset together. So what we did is that we formed a group, and then we were telling the management that no, we shouldn't be offering people plastic bottled water. And at the end, of course, after months of, I don't know, management meetings, approvals, etc., we successfully reduced all of the plastic bottles in the office, and I find that super encouraging. Of course, I'm not the only person who made that happen, but I thought of myself as a catalyst. I mean, I was a part of it, and I'm super happy. So don't ever estimate how one single person can change or influence others. Second achievement, or second thing that makes me really happy, is that earlier on I made a video of product reviews, and in there I made a review on Fofo cup, which is a foldable coffee cup. And one audience, GN from the Philippines, watched this video and she kept asking me questions about the Fofo cup. And fast forward 2 months later, she told me that after she watched that video, she reached out to the people who actually make the Fofo cup from Taiwan, and she stocked up, and she is now starting a company to sell Fofo cup in the Philippines, and she became the sole distributor of Fofo cup in the Philippines. What she also did is that she's been speaking to a retailer in Thailand, and they're also looking into stocking up Fofo cup. It's not that when Fofo cup is available, it means that people are going to be super environmental friendly and they would just ditch all the disposables. But at least you have another option out there that is light, that is durable, that is portable. It's another option for people, and I find that super encouraging, because you would never know that for a video with 300 views, you would thought because 300 is nothing, but that one single person out of 300 people that watched it actually took action. And because of that, another very good option of reusable cups are available in the country, in the Philippines, and maybe even in Thailand. So don't ever underestimate what one single person can do. And the third achievement is that you are actually watching this video right now. Writing a blog or filming YouTube, I never thought that when a person watches my content or reads my content, they would drastically become very environmental friendly that instant. But every single interaction that we have is a chance for me to seed an idea in your head, and that seeding action is one of the achievements, because maybe at some point 10 years later, 1 month later, 2 months later, you would remember that someone out there had talked about being more eco-friendly, and slowly you will start to maybe change a little bit of your mindset and then your behavior, and that to me is already encouraging enough. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.
think I might be over my troubles.